If you've ever held a papaya in your hands, you know how fragile it can be. Soft spots form fast, skins bruise easily, and once it's cut, the clock starts ticking. So here's the real question. How does a modern factory take truckloads of raw papayas, dusty, mixed sizes, uneven ripeness, and turn them into perfect, safe, shelf-ready dessert packs at massive speed without turning them into mush? This process starts at the receiving dock, and it's more serious than people think. The doors open on refrigerated trailers, and the first thing that hits you isn't the fruit, it's the cold air. Temperature gets checked immediately because fruit that's too warm can break down faster, and fruit that's too cold can lose texture. From there, the papayas pour onto wide conveyors and spread into single lanes, so every fruit can be treated like an individual. Next comes the wash tunnel. High-pressure jets blast away field residue, but the brushes stay gentle because the goal isn't to punish the fruit, it's to clean it without bruising it. Then air knives dry the skins, and the papayas slide under bright LED scanner panels, where cameras and sensors grade them in milliseconds. That's the first big proof that this is a modern line. Defective fruit gets flicked aside by pneumatic arms with almost unbelievable accuracy, while the good fruit flows forward like a perfectly controlled river. But the real challenge starts when you move from clean to ready to cut. Papayas need consistency. If they're too firm, the cutting blades tear. If they're too soft, the flesh collapses. So the factory uses buffer lanes and controlled holding so the line doesn't rush the fruit or waste it. And even with all that, a jam can happen. One sideways papaya can slow an entire lane, and bruising is the enemy. The best lines don't panic. They slow automatically, clear the jam, and restart in seconds. Now the peeling begins. Mechanical peelers score the skin and strip it in ribbons, and suddenly you see the color you came for, bright, wet orange flesh. A rinse removes residues, air dries the surface again, and then vision-guided cutters take over. This is where the factory makes money. The blades align to the fruit's exact geometry to reduce waste. The cavity is cleaned, seeds are removed, and the product splits into two destinies, cubes or puree. The cube line is all about texture. Cubes get treated to protect color, then dewatered so packages don't flood. The puree line is about smoothness and safety. The flesh gets ground, filtered, and then it hits the most critical stage, pasteurization. Too hot, and you cook the flavor. Too cool, and you risk contamination. This is where the tension lives, because food production doesn't allow close enough. The system holds the temperature precisely, then cools immediately so the puree stays bright and stable. From there, packaging becomes its own discipline. Multi-head weighers drop exact portions into cups. Sealing stations apply film lids with heat and pressure, and one failed seal gets rejected instantly. That's not waste, that's protection. Puree fills tubs in thick, glossy spirals, lids press on tight, and then every unit passes through checkpoints like metal detection or X-ray. It's not about drama, it's about removing risk before it reaches a customer. Then the cold chain takes over. Chill tunnels lock in texture. Case packers load cartons with perfect alignment. Robots stack pallets in stable patterns. And stretch wrap pulls tight until the whole load becomes one solid unit. And the factory doesn't stop there. Random cups get pulled for integrity tests. No bubbles means the seal holds. That's how you earn trust at scale. Now, here's the part most people miss. The line isn't just fast, it's adaptive. If a sensor drifts, the system slows flow. Operators verify with reference probes. Sometimes it's not the product that changed, it's the sensor reading. Fix the calibration, and you prevent a cascade of bad decisions. That's what modern really means. The process protects itself. By the end, you get the most satisfying contrast in the whole video. Raw papayas rolling in from the farm, dusty and unpredictable, versus pallets of crystal clear dessert packs, uniform, sealed, chilled, and ready to ship. The bay doors close on a refrigerated trailer, and everything that mattered, cleaning, grading, cutting, safety, sealing, cold chain, gets carried forward in that one final load. Watch it again, and notice how early decisions control the final texture, especially the moment the line separates cubes from puree. On a second watch, you'll catch how the factory reduces waste by rerouting imperfect cubes into puree instead of throwing them away. Replay the opening, and you'll realize the cold air at receiving isn't just comfort. It's the first step in keeping the entire dessert from breaking down. That's the real magic here. Not one machine, but a chain of small, disciplined choices that turn fragile fruit into something consistent, safe, and ready for millions of people to eat, without ever showing you a single face behind it.